is up, everybody? Alright, so I'm gonna totally change the way that I've been doing my videos, and I really want to introduce you to what I'm about to do. So get ready, but before we do that, check out this new intro. Alright, now most of my videos in the past have been like vlog style videos. You know, I had my 21-day challenge vlog, I had my YouTube prep series vlog. I love all those. I'm still gonna do vlogs occasionally, especially when I have something cool and exciting going on, but I want to kind of push more content out on my website and make that kind of like my home base. And I've been kind of racking my mind as to how to go about doing that. So what I'm gonna do is basically make like a super involved, in-depth tutorial series that goes both wide and deep on all topics. Keto, health and fitness, nutrition, training, everything. And this is just gonna be really good. I'm excited about it. And we're gonna go down the rabbit hole on something. So for instance, we want to talk about biohacking. We want to talk about a potential lion's mane chaga mushroom mix. I'm gonna spend a week just diving into everything I can, all the research behind that topic, and just making that knowledge available to you, the viewers. So what I'm probably gonna do is I want to get something out at least every week, so I'll have like a week to dive into a given topic, and then publish the information on that. I'm gonna have a super in-depth, detailed blog post, a written long-form post discussing that topic, with an associated YouTube video. So if you're following me on YouTube, you'll see that video. But if you want even more in-depth detail and like links to certain topics, or links to whatever it is that I'm referencing, that will all be present in the blog post. At the bottom of each of these videos, so if you're watching this on YouTube and you scroll to the description below, there's going to be all my other social media links and like a description and whatnot. But I'm also going to put two primary links. One is going to be to the associated website blog post, where you can find the long form content of all the information I'm talking about in that video. And the other link is going to be to a Google form, where you can go to that form and type in a paragraph or type in a topic or whatever. So basically, if there's something specific that you want to learn about, something specific that you want to kind of get more detail on, go to that Google Forms link, type in your response, type in your question, type in your idea, type in whatever. I'll be compiling all those and go through and pick stuff and make an associated video and detailed blog post about it. So that is my plan. I'm glad to start doing this. I'm excited to start doing this. This is going to be kind of like my big passion project for the year, or one of them at least. I've got a lot of stuff going on, but this is going to be a big one. So it's going to be a good steady supply of content for y'all. It's going to broaden my scope and knowledge, and I'm going to try and correlate my podcast guests with the given topic. That's not going to be super easy to do, but whenever it makes sense to do so, I'm going to try and make that happen. But yeah, this is going to be a super short video. This is just kind of an introduction to what's going on. But yeah, get excited, look forward to that, 'cause it's going to be good. I don't know where we're going to start. This first couple weeks is probably just going to be like an introduction to kind of like me and my past and whatnot. But after we get to the introduction, we're going to pick topics and just dive into them. So get ready. Here we go.